First, we need a sweet ride to get us from A to B, SpaceX's Starship. This state-of-the-art spacecraft is what makes it all possible. Specifically designed to transport humans, satellites, solar panels, robots, vehicles, boring machines, habitat modules, and more to other worlds. With a payload capacity of 100 to 150 tons from Earth to orbit, each ship has the potential to transport a lot of people and cargo from Earth to Mars. And Elon has stated that he intends to manufacture literally thousands of these ships for this purpose. Starship is not just a vessel. It's the cornerstone of the future space economy, capable of ferrying vital resources and equipment to and from various planetary bodies. Similar to how the steam engine opened up the American frontier, allowing anyone safe travel into the Old West, the Starship is about to blast us into the final frontier. It is the railroad of tomorrow. This is going to change everything. And you better believe there's a gold rush coming. Asteroid mining. There's gold in them there hills.